Dear Heavenly Father, as we gather here today to embark on this new journey of learning and growth, we come before you with hearts full of gratitude and anticipation. We thank you for the opportunity to embrace new beginnings, set new goals, and strive for excellence in all that we do. May it be a time of inspiration and motivation where we open our minds to fresh ideas and embrace the challenges that lie ahead. Grant us the strength to persevere and the courage to step out of our comfort zones, knowing that with your grace, we can achieve great things. Let us remember that each day is a gift and each moment is a chance for renewal. Help us to approach our goals with determination, kindness, and a spirit of collaboration. In your holy name we pray. Amen.
Welcome to the 17th anniversary of Sante International! Hello, everyone! I'm Gia.
And I'm Joven, and we are your hosts for today.
Grabe, Jovel, we're now on our 17th year of providing quality health and wellness products. And of course, 17 years also of helping people live better lives. And it's all thanks to our founders who built this dream, and of course, to all of our business owners right now and across the globe who expanded this dream through their business. So palapakan naman natin yung bawat isa. So, Joven, I would like to mention na ang ganda ng setup natin, and
Agree,
I would
yeah.
like to take this opportunity to thank each and everyone for being part of this memorable event. So, okay, credit goes to, okay, mention natin yung mga departments who made this event possible. Marketing team is here.
Palapakan naman natin
Palapakan
sila.
naman natin sila. Commercial sales, that's NetDev, Business Innovation and Branch Operations. Finance and Admin. HR, Operations, and of course, to the never-ending support of our Board of Directors and of course, our Executive Committee.
Thank you so much, everyone. And of course, we would like to thank each and every one of you here for being with us today. Ayan, palakpakan nyo naman yung mga sarili ninyo. And of course, yung mga audiences natin na nanonood sa Facebook, Zoom, and YouTube, palakpakan naman.
Ayan.
Kaway tayo sa
Kaway tayo.
camera. Hello, everyone. Ayan.
Oy, wait, kulang na energy, Joven. This is
Oo nga eh.
17th anniversary and we deserve a bigger applause. So, palakpakan naman natin ulit. Yan.
Yan. Nakakawala ng ano yan, ng tense.
Nervyos. Okay, so since we're talking about our 17th anniversary, so we'd like to know, kasi di ba, so much has happened for 17 years. We're sure of that, di ba? So, lowlights, highlights, and gusto ko lang malaman, sino pa dito who's been with the business for 5 years?
Please raise your hands. 5 years in Sante. 5 years. 5 years? Ayan, nakikita natin we see from...
Bakit yung 5 years parang nahihiya?
Oo, 5 years.
5 years again?
Bata pa ang 5
Yan,
years.
ayan yung
Ayan,
mga nasa
5
table
years.
na yan.
Meron tayo sa likod.
How about
10 years.
10 years?
10 years, anybody? Much.
15 years?
15 years.
Wala pa?
Meron pa ba? 15
So, 10
years?
years?
Wala pa?
Baka
Okay, 10
nahihiya
years.
lang.
Nahihiya.
Baka nahihiya
Bata pa
lang.
yung 15 years eh. Bata
Oo,
pa.
bata pa naman talaga.
Ayan. Now, Gia, we're curious, diba? We would like to ask then, kasi ano ba yung naging core memory nila in Sante sa mga years na nandito sila sa atin?
Ikaw ba, Joven? Ikaw muna. Since, what
Um,
is your core memory with Sante? How long have you been with Sante?
ano na eh, wala pa akong maalala, Your Honor. So, parang ganun nakatagal.
nakatagal.
Joke lang.
Okay.
Ayan, so,
Hindi,
ask natin
tinatanong
yung
natin
mga audience natin
Sige.
kung ilang years na sila and ano ba yung core memory nila. Naku, ayaw nilang tumingin sa akin, Miss Gia. Parang nag-dodge sila ng paningin. Ayan, let's ask Miss Teen Hueves. Hi, Miss Teen. Hi. Miss Teen, ilang years na po kayo with Sante?
10 years.
Palakpakan naman natin si Miss Teen. Stand up. Miss Teen, ano po yung core memory nyo in Sante?
Madami. Ito summarize ko yung 10 years. Siguro yung feeling na kasama mo yung mga leaders kasi dito parang like-minded people. So kapag kasama ko sila, tumataas yung motivation ko at saka yung nagiging inspired ako. Ayun. So, unlike dun sa iba mga groups na nakaka-depress.
Ayun, palakpakan natin si Mrs. Agree. Yung energy and vibe ng Sante communities talaga namang
Joven.
Yes.
You get that energy from Sante
yes,
every day.
every day. Hindi yan mauubos. Mag-ask
Who
pa
else?
tayo ng
Sige,
isa
isa
pa.
pa.
Ayan. Medyo meron
Miss
dito
Tina,
mga...
si Miss Tina would like to say something. Sige na.
Miss
What is
Tina.
your core memory with Sante?
Miss Tina, ilang years na po with Sante?
Nagbilang ako eh. 15 na pala.
Palakpakan natin si Miss Tina, 15 years. Miss Tina, ano pong core memory natin in Sante?
Ang dami. Pero siguro what I can say, through the years, since day one, they true to its mission of helping people live better lives, and I'm seeing
Opo, kakanta tayo ng Through the Years.
Joke lang.
Ready siya, ready
Okay,
siya.
so Miss Tally, what is your core memory with Sante for the past 17 years?
Sa ano na lang salbo. So before, yung salbo namin is less than 500. But the last salvo is less than 10,000. So that's my memories. Less and now 10,000 above. Or more than. That's it.
Ayan, palakpakan again natin si Miss Dolly. We're looking forward sa next event natin, Miss Gia, na salvo, di ba?
Yan yung core memory kasi ni Miss Dolly. So, tatandaan natin yan, Miss Dolly, na iaalay namin sa iyo yung salmo.
We will achieve 10,000.
Yes, 10,000. 100,000. Okay. So, through Jovel, maraming nangyari over the past 17 years. Now, to officially start our program, let's take a walk down the memory lane with a special video that highlights the incredible journey of Sante International over the past 17 years. So let's all watch this.
Through Sante's journey over the past 17 years, our driven spirit has propelled us to overcome challenges. Together, we have risen to new heights, forging a path to a brighter, healthier future for all. It all began in 2007 when a group of seasoned direct selling professionals came together with a vision and a goal to offer health and wellness solutions while providing profitable business opportunities for all. In 2008, Sante International forged a strong partnership with BioGrow certified barley grass supplier from New Zealand that led to the creation and launch of the Sante Pure Barley brand in the Philippines, starting with a 3-gram sachet. Sante introduced Sante Barley Pure capsules to the market. With overwhelming positive testimonials from the stakeholders, Sante Barley's reputation as a progressive direct selling company resulted in business growth and expansion. Additionally, Sante International diversified its product lines by including Fusion Coffee and launching a personal care line. In 2012, the Sante Barley Tri-Team was formed. In 2013, Choco Barley was also added to the health beverage and snack series. The company expanded its offerings and services to cater to the holistic well-being of its customers with the launch of green tea lemon with L-carnitine. Sante International acquired a property in Pico del Oro, serving as a venue for relaxation, camaraderie, and strategic planning for its key stakeholders. Furthermore, the company purchased a luxury yacht primarily for the use of its business partners, expanding Sante's presence in the industry. In 2015, Sante Impact System, a comprehensive health and fitness service, was launched. Sante expanded globally, entering the UAE market with its organic wellness products and business opportunities. The company's participation at the prestigious Mastermind event in the United States solidified Sante's presence in the international market. Sante experienced impressive growth with over 100 branches and 100,000 registered business owners across multiple countries. In 2018, Sante further reached new heights, establishing branches in Singapore, Qatar, and Cyprus, offering health and wellness products to a broader audience. Commitment to excellence continued in 2019 as CEO Joey Marcelo was once again recognized as a Circle of Excellence finalist for Entrepreneur of the Year, and Sante International was awarded Circle of Excellence for SME Company of the Year at the Asia CEO Awards. Amidst the 2020 global pandemic, Sante's dedication to health and wellness became even more pivotal as the company's business owners played a vital role in supplying essential health products, contributing to its highest recorded sales ever. In 2021, the Leisure Club by Sante, a beach resort in Batangas, was established as a haven for relaxation and team building activities. Catering to the evolving needs of its customers, the company launched the Sante Barley Canister in 200 grams. Furthermore, Sante International's headquarters, a 4-story facility located in the Cavite Light Industrial Park, Philippines, was officially inaugurated.
Kaya mo abutin, pangarap mo bituin. Kaya mo tabuin, daan may madilim. Makakamtan ang dinarasal, manalangin sa may kapal.
In 2023, Sante International reached new heights by being awarded the Circle of Excellence for Executive Leadership Team at the Asia CEO Awards. This achievement was emphasized further when CEO Joey Marcelo was named Entrepreneur of the Year.
The Pagari Entrepreneur of the Year is Jesus Joey Marcelo.
Sante's mission to help people live better lives is evident in its ongoing efforts to give back, such as the construction of classroom and support for the children of Silad Elementary School in Agutaya, Palawan.
Nakamit na biyaya, ibahagi sa iyong kapwa. Pag may dumadaing, tulungan mo. Iangat mo. Iangat mo.
In 2024, Sante's dedication to growth and innovation was recognized with the Innovative Health and Fitness Solutions Award at the Living Laurels Award. As part of its commitment to promoting a holistic approach to health and wellness, Sante partnered with Hoka Trilogy Run Asia, a running series event that has inspired more employees and business owners to take steps towards becoming healthier versions of themselves. In its journey to new ventures, the Belly Concepts emerged as a brand driven by the passion to deliver a unique and memorable gastronomic experience. This vision materialized to the Comfort Food Manila and the Locker Room Cafe, catering to the food and beverage lovers.
Iangat mo. Kaya mo abutin pangarap mo bituin. Kaya mo tawirin daan may madilim.
Today, Sante stands as a leader in health and wellness. With an expansive network of distributors and a steadfast commitment to providing high-quality products, services, and business opportunities in the Philippines and around the globe.
Manalangin sa may kapal.
Wow! I think it deserves standing ovation. Woo! Grabe. What an amazing journey it has been for Sante. Ayan, thank you so much everyone. Grabe yung video, Miss Gia, nakaka-goosebumps. Kasi I'm sure marami dito yung na-recall nila yung kung paano sila nag-start sa Sante. And tingnan nyo kung nasa na kayo ngayon. Ayan, di ba? Palakpakan naman natin yung mga sarili ninyo. Ayan, congratulations everyone. Sobrang milestone yung na-achieve natin.
So truly, this business has really taken everyone, employees, business owners, everyone who's been part of this business to different places and phases in their lives. So really true to its mission.
Agree. And we are excited to live more and do more. To officially open our celebration, let us all welcome one of the founders and board of directors of Sante, Mr. Eric Maranan, for the welcome remarks.
Thank you very much, Joven and Gia. Good afternoon. Nung pinapanood ko yung video, tumaas yung balahibo ko eh. Kasi for the past 17 years. Pero yung mas nag-enjoy ako, alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi nasa loob ako ng isang kwarto ng puno ng magaganda at gwapo. Two months ago, I have a friend. Pumunta siya sa ospital. Pagpunta niya sa ospital, diretso siya sa emergency room. Kasi yung ubo niya hindi natatanggal eh. Parang 4 months na raw. So nag-decide siya, magpa-check up na. So nung ginawa nung sa ospital, yung doktor, pina-x-ray siya. So after ilang minutes lang, lumabas yung result ng x-ray. So nasa emergency room pa siya. Sinabit yung x-ray. Sabi ng doktor, "Sir, meron ka pong pneumonia. kailangan mo mag-admit for at least 2 weeks. At kailangan mo maghanda ng 500,000 pesos. Tindi na mga reaction, ha? Hindi ka... Ako na-experience ko actually yan, nung na-COVID yung son ko at saka yung wife ko, di ba? Talaga sabi, ito ihahanda mo. So yun sinabi, 500,000 pesos, tapos 2 weeks. Sabi nung friend ko, Doc, may problema. Gumaganon ba, di ba? Siyempre, kailangan, di ba, maganda yung kwento, di ba? Yung actual. Doc, may problema. 5,000 pesos lang ang pera ko. Wala na akong pera. Pangalawa, kailangan kong umuwi ngayon. Wala akong time para ma-confine ng 2 weeks. Parang gano'n naman, di ba? Para makatotohanan, di ba? Di ba? Oh, siyempre kwento eh. Oh. Sabi nung doktor, kinuha yung x-ray. Di ba? Result. Tinignan. Tapos tinignan yung pasyente. Tinignan. Tinignan yung pasyente. Sabi niya, Sir, ganito na lang. 2,500 lang. Ang galing, no? Parang kayo eh. Galing makipagano eh. Madiskarte, di ba? Oh, nakatipid pa ngayon yung pasyente. 2,500 na lang. Parang korneto, di ba? 2,500 na lang. Maayos tong x-ray mo. I-edit ko lang. For the past 17 years, diba, nandito ngayon sa Santay because of time, effort, energy. So there's no shortcut. Diba? Hindi mo pwede sabihin, hindi, ngayon na, eto lang pera ko. You have to invest your time, your energy, your skills, and your effort. You know, yung nag-start kami 17 years ago, ang mission statement ng company is helping people live better lives. Ngayon, nakikita ko yung manifestation ng success. Kasi nakikita ko yung mga leaders natin may sarili ng bahay. Dinadrive na nila yung mga kotse na gusto nila. Napapaaral nila yung mga anak nila sa eskwelahan na gusto nila. And nakakatulong sila sa maraming tao. Sa amin po, yun yung totoong manifestation ng success. And for the past 17 years, di ba, parang ano lang yan, nung graduate ako nung high school, 17 years old ako. So, papunta pa lang tayo sa college. So, yung next 4 years, madedefine ang Santay sa global market. So maganda na kayo dahil hindi lang tayo sa Philippines. Okay. Remember, success is a journey. It's not a destination. Ang Santay po, nasa journey towards success. At kailangan lang mag-manifest sa atin yung success. And nagpapasalamat ako sa inyo because of you. Of course, yung management, staff ng Santay. And pinaka-importante, yung buong pamilya ng Santay, lahat ng Santay leaders. Okay? Mula po sa kaibuturan ng aking puso. Eto, papakita ko nga sa inyo yung puso ko eh. Para, nagdududa eh. Sobrang papasalamat po namin. Ito po yun, oh. Oh. Hey! Happy 17th anniversary. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Eric. That was a very wonderful message. Ang favorite part ko sa sinabi ni Sir Eric is yung T. Time, effort, and energy. Diba?
Ganda ng acronym mo,
Oo,
ah.
may T na ako, diba? Tsaka yung sinabi niya na 17 years, pa-high school pa lang tayo. So, papunta pa lang tayo dun sa exciting part. Diba?
Yes.
Yan.
Marami pang kailangang abangan.
Nabitin ba kayo sa kwento ni Sir Eric? Gusto niyo pa ba? So every time that we have an activity in Eton, we have what we call Coffee Talk. Naalala niyo yun? Coffee Talk. It's a platform wherein we invite powerful, insightful, and impactful personalities in Sante. And we invite them to converse with us over a cup of coffee. So, what's special about this day is...
Yes, this time joining us today for a special coffee talk, our board of directors as they share their thoughts, experiences, and vision for the future of Sante International. Please welcome Mr. Eric Maranan, Mr. Paul Kaluwag, and Mr. Joey Marcelo.
Coffee talaga, coffee. Pag coffee talk ba, pwedeng water? Ay, hindi. Coffee talaga.
Coffee
Ah,
talk.
alright.
Coffee talk.
Puro ako.
Hello.
Mic test.
Okay na.
Yan.
Okay, so...
Dumating na yung order natin.
Ready ka na ba, Joven?
Sa coffee break, pwedeng soft drinks. Coffee talk, coffee talk.
Yan.
Ready ka na,
Ako,
Joven?
ready na. Ewan ko yung tatlong pogi nating kasama dito.
Hi, Sir Eric, Sir Joey, and Sir Paul. How are you today? How are you feeling?
Ozam.
Oh,
Ozam, ha? Tandaan nyo, ha? Huwag magkakamali, ha? Ozam, ha?
yes, Sir Paul, Sir Joey, and Sir Eric, thank you so much for allowing us or giving us this opportunity para to ask you some questions na hindi pa nila naririnig before. Diba? So I think we can start, Nagi.
Go ahead. Okay, sige. Ready na ba kayo? Lights off or lights on daw? De, joke lang. Hindi. We won't ask that question. Okay. So earlier, we asked the business owners, what is their fondest memory with Sante over the past 17 years? So, of course, you are Sante for the past 17 years. So, if you can just pick one core memory, I know there's a lot. This is actually a very difficult question. So, what is that one core memory that you can share with us that resonated to you the most over the past 17 years of Sante?
Yeah, let's start with you, Sir Eric.
Yeah, so, core memories. Actually, beyond 17 years pa to, okay lang naman, no? Pero pertaining to Sante ito eh. I remember, meron kaming ginawang travel incentives. 5 lang kaming lumipad. Kasama ko pa si Joey. Remember, bro? At may 3 nag-qualify. So, nung nag-uusap kami, so hindi namin siyempre, walang video, di ba? Yung personal lang, di ba? Pero nag-uusap kami ni Joey, sabi namin, dadating ang panahon, itong 5, dagdagan mo ng 2 0. Next year yun!
May I ask, Sir Eric, ano pong destination nun, yung 5?
Ang destination noon, pumunta kami ng Singapore, Indonesia, Malaysia.
Wow.
Asian tour
tour
yun.
na.
Pero by land kami. At sa sobrang saya namin, excited na ako next year sa cruise.
Yes, go for 500!
Yes, go for 500.
Go for 500.
Yeah. Now, Sir Paul, ano po yung core memory niyo, sir?
Happy anniversary, everybody! Kinakabahan ako. Actually, very similar din kay Eric. Ito hindi ko malilimutan talaga. Kwento ko lang sa inyo. Bago lang ako noon. By the way, I entered the company 2010. No? So, hindi ako nung 2007. No? I remember kasi nagpa-travel kami. No? Very similar nung kay Eric. Nagpa-travel kami sa Santay. Sa iyo yata bro, hindi Santay yun eh. No? Oh, iba. Dito lang sa Santay, di ba? Nung nagpa-travel kami, okay, trip to Hong Kong yun. And of course, di ba, natapos na yung promo period, di ba, incentive period. Alam nyo kailan na nag-qualify? Isa. Isa nag-qualify. Ang hindi ko malilimutan kasi, ang naantasan na tawagan yung nag-qualify, si Eric. Tapos nakikita ko si Eric, tumatawag dun sa nag-qualify, si Engineer Jong. Naalala mo ba yun, bro? Di ba? Si Engineer Jong, tinatawagan niya, sabi niya gano'n. Hindi, parang nakikita ko na hirap si Eric na sabihin sa kanya na isa ka lang magta-travel, di ba? Huwag ka na... di ba? Parang, can you imagine, di ba, na ikaw ang magbibitaw ng news na yon, na isa ka lang magta-travel, huwag na lang tumuloy. Parang gano'n eh. Huwag ka na lang tumuloy, bibigyan ka na lang namin. I don't remember kung products yun eh. Pero hindi ko malilimutan talaga kasi nakatingin lang ako kay Eric nung nasa phone siya. Yung hindi ko malilimutan kasi ang laki ng impression sa akin kasi nung I think yung pinakamalaki natin is Royal Caribbean eh, no? No, from one qualifier, di ba? Ngayon, nagkaroon tayo ng Royal Caribbean, I think 200 plus, no? And then ngayon, di ba? Uy, tuloy niyo yan. And then of course, the project is 500, di ba? So, ang laki ng change talaga. Yun lang core memory ko.
Grabe. Nadadagdagan ng zero from 1 to... Yeah. How about you, Sir Joey?
Din-imagine ko yun, di ba? Mag-isa sa tour, no? Tapos sisigaw pa ng, this is a Santay life. Welcome to, ano? Tapos mag-isa lang, ano? Then, nagpapatanggal ako ng kaba. Thank you for that wonderful question. Okay. Alright, fondest memory. Kasi kami for how many years, kami nila Eric tsaka ni Ate Minette. Si Ate Minette, pasensya na kayo, diba? Nagliliwaliw sa US ngayon yan. Ganun talaga pag nasa ano, nagliliwaliw. Naalala ko lang nung, kasi kami since day one, diba, we failed for 7 years, diba? 2001, 2007, 5 companies yung nag-fail. One of our prayers is to be able to come up with the best product, yun, diba? Siguro, one of my fondest memory, ang dami kasing memories, grabe, kumpleto ako lahat eh. Pero siguro, one of my fondest memory, hindi kasama si Eric noon eh, kami dalawa ni Ate Minette when we went to New Zealand. Yung first time, di ba? Barley na binibenta natin noon, 2010 yun eh, April 2010. When we went to New Zealand, pagtapak namin sa farm, yun na yun, sabi ko, wow, totoo na to. The world will be our playing field because of this barley grass. Nakakakilabot nung time na yun kasi nung una parang di mo alam totoo ba talaga na may farm sa New Zealand, kausap talaga natin mga from New Zealand when we went there. Yun yung, kumbaga yun yung nagtuldok. Yun yung nagtuldok na ito na talaga to, this will be it. Alam mo nakakatuwa lang na naalala ko lang ano, may dala akong video cam, tripod. Ako yung cameraman, ako yung nag-talk, ako yung pumindot ng camera, may remote control. Pag uwi ng Pilipinas, ako nag-edit. Kompleto, lahat ako, di ba, nasa YouTube pa ngayon yon. Pero that's day one of Santay. Kumakalat pa yata sa YouTube yung video na yon. I still have that. Pero sobrang memorable because it all started from nothing, di ba? So, ginrab ko yung opportunity eh. Sino mag-take sa akin ng video? Si Ate Minette. Ako lang mag-isa,
mga biggest milestones natin. Now, for the next question po, we know that Sante also has its fair share to challenges through the years. So ano po yung biggest learning or advice in overcoming challenges, in general that can be, applied by our business owners and employees? Start with you, Sir Paul.
Hello. Mahirap yung tanong. Hindi,
Musa, thank you for that wonderful question.
Thank you for that wonderful question. Medyo mahirap yung tanong. Teka, let me think. Alam mo, ang nagdadala sa akin kasi I read this. Great men actually do not have fears. No? Great men actually face their fears every day. No? So same with opposition or same with failures, di ba? All of us fail, di ba? But great men, di ba, deal with failures every day. Ako kasi, ang tingin ko lang, palagi yung sinasabi sa inyo to, di ba? Sometimes failures, di ba, tao lang tayo, we become emotional. No? So kung emotional ka, never make a decision. Okay? Itulog nyo lang yan. O, kasi itulog nyo lang ilang araw before you make any decisions. Okay? Because most probably, you will make wrong decisions when you are emotional. Okay? So that's my message.
Sir Eric,
Itulog.
Sir Eric, how about you po?
Yeah, pakiulit nga ng question.
Sir, do you need an interpreter?
Pwedeng Korean na lang.
안녕하세요. Sir, we know that Sante also has its fair share of challenges through the years. What's your biggest learning or advice in overcoming challenges in general po?
Okay. Biggest advice and learnings, di ba? Actually, yung challenges, bine-breakfast lang namin yan. Kasi every day, di ba, ang daming challenges na na-face natin. Ngayon, kung iiwasan mo yung challenges, boring ang buhay. Di ba? In fact, huwag mong pagdasal na mawalan ka ng challenges. Kasi mangyayari yon pag pantay na paa mo. Huwag mo madaliin. Di ba? Remember, the bigger the challenge, the bigger the reward. So, iharap mo pa sa amin ng challenges, di ba?
So si Sir Paul tinutulog yung challenge. Si Sir Eric bini-breakfast. Paano kaya ni Sir Joey?
Pinagpupuyatan siguro yung kay Sir Joey.
Challenges, di ba? Yung mga matatagal na Sante, alam na. Alam nyo, from day one kami nila Eric Pero sige, simulan ko lang sa Sante. Lesson learned. Hindi tayo nawala ng challenges sa Sante. May naisip lang ako, kwento ko lang, ito fondest memory din, pero part ng, nung lesson learned in the process. Naalala ko lang to, hindi ko alam kung anong year to. Asian Cruise to. So mga 20 plus qualifiers, Asian Cruise, or a travel di ba? Siyempre, pag travel, you have to motivate mga business owners, kailangan masaya kayo. Tapos alam mo, kinausap ako ni Karen noon, di ba? May good news. Anong good news, Joey? Pag binayaran natin lahat ng supplier, parang negative 15 million tayo. Di ba? Cycle lang yan, kalagitnaan ng travel. Ang alalam ko na nabanggit ko sa kanya, pwede ba mo ko i-update muna sa finances for the next couple of months, sa hataw na lang muna kami. Di ba? So, just have to refocus on doing the right thing. Kailangan mo i-motivate yung mga distributors doon, wala ka na palang pera, di ba? Grabe, di ba? Hindi ko makalimutan yon. Pero point is this, lesson learned. In life, there will always be ups and downs. Alright? 17 years na tayo, series of ups and downs. Pero at the end of the day, tuwing madadapa ka, kailangan kang tumayo and keep moving forward. Alright? 17 years na tayo, in-expect nyo walang mga challenges. Hello, imposible. Pero yung challenges natin ngayon, mas maganda na kumpara dati. Mas mabigat, yes. Ako, I'm expecting that in the next coming months or years, there will be a lot of challenges in Indonesia. Diba? Ibang level na challenge yun. Bahasa yung language, diba? Pero I know that we will always surpass those challenges. If we will just hold each other's hands, walang challenge na hindi natin kayang ma-overcome, diba? Sabi nga ni Eric, we can eat challenge, breakfast, snack, lunch, and dinner hanggang midnight snack. Kaya nating ma-overcome lahat yan. Especially kung sama-sama tayong lahat. Right.
Pwede kong dagdagan, isa na lang. Oo, challenges actually welcome them, no? Like sabi nga, di ba, ang breakfast, pinaka-importanting meal daw yan eh. every day, di ba? Challenges will make you stronger and powerful. Tandaan niyo yan. No? So later on, di ba, when you create your testimonies, alam mo, walang kwenta kung sinasabi niyo na, alam niyo, nag-ED ako dito in 2 weeks, di ba? Naging successful ako dito in 1 month. Walang kwenta yun eh. It's your stories, yung dinaanan yung challenges, di ba? That will inspire a lot of people and make you stronger.
Ganda.
Yeah, totoo.
Ganda ng
Yung mga talagang compelling stories, yun talaga yung mas di ba? Nakaka-motivate sa atin and everyone.
No wonder they are called mentors talaga.
Agree,
So
yeah.
which leads me to our third question. So here in our business, you are called Mentor Eric, Mentor Joey, Mentor Paul. And we are curious to know who are your mentors? Saan nyo hinuhugot yung mga nasa-share nyo to our business owners? Who are your mentors in your lives, whether career, personal or business? And how did that mentor influence your life?
Yeah.
Sir Eric.
I'll go first. Actually, sa akin, lahat ng nami-meet kong mga tao, mentors ko. As in lahat. Kasi hindi ako naniniwala sa swerte at malas. Pag naniwala ka sa swerte, malas yon. Alam niyo ba? So pag nakakita ako ng tao, tapos nag-manifest sa kanya yung success or maganda yung buhay niya, kinokopya ko kung paano niya nagawa yon. So, indirect mentor ko siya. Pag nakakita ako ng tao na minamalas, sumama yung buhay, naghiwalay, di ba, nabaon sa utang, mentor ko rin siya. Bakit? Kasi alam ko kung ano yung iiwasan ko. Kasi sabi nila, di ba, experience is the best teacher. Pero kung may experience mo lahat para ka matuto, kulang ang buhay mo. Kulang. Ang kailangan, matuto ka sa lahat ng tao. Kaya ako natututo ko sa lahat ng tao, even sa mga distributors, even sa mga kapitbahay namin, even doon sa mga umasenso at hindi umasenso. So, tinitreat ko lahat as mentors. So, wala akong specific na tao na tinitignan. Ang ginagawa ko para yung buffet. Kukunin ko lang kung ano yung mapupulot ko, yun yung gagamitin ko. So, wala akong sinusundan na kunyari si Elon Musk or Steve Jobs. Kukuha lang ako ng mga ma-apply ko sa akin. Kasi iba-iba naman yung sitwasyon natin eh. So, yon. Ganun lang. Yung mentors ko, so marami. Puro indirect mentors ko sila. Yeah.
Who's parang champion triathlete. Bottom line, whenever I read books, kung sino yung author no, may tunan ko mentor ko. So, there's a lot of people who inspires me. Of course, even business owners. Yung mga business owners natin, hindi nyo lang alam. Minsan pag tinatawagan ko kayo, ini-inspire ko kayo, ang hindi nyo lang alam, demotivated ako nung time na yon. Kaya ako kayo nakausap, kaya ako kayo minomotivate so that you can share something. Maya-maya ng konti, motivated uli kayo. So, you are also one of my mentors. Pero siguro ang pinaka-gist lang nito is ano ba yung common sa lahat ng mentors ko, which is sobrang dami. Kahit, by the way, kahit mga negative na tao, mentor ko yan, di ba? Ang dami ko namimit ng mga negative na tao. Mentor ko sila in such a way na I realize na there's a lot of great things in life and good thing, hindi ako ganong mag-isip na parang sila. So natutunan ko rin yun, di ba? Pero one thing about yung common sa lahat sa kanila, they help me become a better version of who I am. So whoever that person is in your life who can help you become a better version of you, that person can be a mentor.
Hello. Yeah. Ako naman ang mentor ko, my greatest mentor actually is my dad. No, he passed away already, pero I believe na, I am who I am today because of my dad. No, so malaking influence sa akin ng dad ko eh. Kasi ngayon wala ng dad ko, pero whenever I make a decision, I need to make a decision or take action, ang palagi kong iniisip, ano kaya ang gagawin ni daddy? Ano kaya yung i-advise sa akin ni daddy? So my biggest mentor is my dad. Of course, my wife will always be there, di ba? And yung mom ko naman baliktad. Yung mom ko, ako nagme-mentor sa mami ko ngayon. Iba naman ngayon, di ba? Nagbago na, no? In answer to that question, di ba, it's really my dad. Thank you.
Palakpakan naman po natin sila. Now, for all those mentors, I'm sure marami pong natutunan yung board of directors natin sa kanilang mga mentors. And yung mga natutunan nila yun is na-apply din nila sa ating mga business owners and marami din ang nabagong buhay because of that. Now, for our next question, ano po yung legacy na do you hope to leave behind for the next generation of leaders within the company?
So parang since you are the leaders of this business, how would you like the people, us, the business owners, to remember you as a leader?
Okay na mo na. Baka sabihin nila, laging sila una. Di ba? Nakakapag-isip ako. Ako naman. Di ba? Baka, ako naman. Sige, ano ba? Sa akin siguro ganito, I want to be remembered as a person or as a leader. Not only with the business owners, even the employees of the company. Worldwide, siguro I want someday to be remembered by millions of people all over the globe as a person who helped them become a better version of who they are. Yung tipo pag naalala nila ako, ang maalala nila is, si Sir Joey, isa to sa tao na nakatulong kung bakit ako naging better version of who I am. Diba? More than money, more than the fame, yung luxuries in life, hindi na yun eh. Pero at least, alam mo yung maalala ka nila na in a way nakatulong ka na mabago yung buhay nila. Diba? Happy na ako. And of course, ang target natin is not only Filipinos, but to inspire different nationalities, diba? And help them become better versions of who they are. Siguro sa akin yun yung legacy na gusto ko, maalala na. Tsaka yun, siguro yung, sabi kasi nila, di ba ganito, sino sa inyo ang kilala pa yung great-great-grandfather nyo? Usually, kilala mo yung tatay mo, kilala mo yung lolo mo. Pero sino yung great-great-grandfather mo? Nakalimutan na natin, di ba? Siguro, one of my dreams in life is, kahit na yung kaapu-apuan ko sa tuhod, kilala pa ako at maalala pa ako because of the impact that I've created in this life.
I'm sure they will naman po, Sir Joey. Now, Sir Paul, how about you po?
Ang hirap naman, sinundan ko si Joey. Actually, pareho kami. In my own little way, di ba? I'd like to create or to contribute to your success, to your growth, di ba? Kaya, hindi ba kuminsan madalas, nagawa naman ako, di ba, sa mga business owners, di ba? Group, di ba? I make it a point na, sabi ko nga kahit isang word lang ang masabi ko, na nag-influence sa inyo o nagbago ang direction nyo para umulad kayo, di ba? Magbagong buhay, di ba? Ako, I'm very happy na. I always pray Sabi ko, to be honest, I always pray, ano bang purpose ko sa Sante? Palagi kong dinadasal yun, Lord, di ba? Pero that was years ago. Pero it became very, very clear No, because not only sa management team, di ba, sa staff, di ba, sa mga business owners na kayo yun talagang purpose ko. I'm here because of you guys, di ba? I was put in a position na gusto kong, na in a way, di ba? I was put in a position na pwede akong makatulong sa inyo. So that is my legacy. Gusto kong maalala, di ba? Niyo, no? At mga pamilya ninyo na si Sir Paul, di ba? Yan yung isa sa mga tumulong sa atin, anak. Yun.
Nakakaiyak yun.
Tissue, please.
So sa akin, actually nandun sa one of our core values. Yung iba siguro dito, yung mga nakasama ko sa cruise, alam na yon. Yung mga party people, di ba? Ito naman, dami Hey! Alam niyo na kung celebration for every win. Alam nyo, life is a celebration. You have to celebrate life. Gusto ko lang maalala nyo ako, yung legacy ko is yung nagpapasaya sa inyo. Hindi lang nakatulong yung Sante with regards dun sa family ninyo, finances ninyo, at marami kayo natulungan, kung hindi nagpapasaya kayo. Kasi alam nyo, lahat ng tao may ability magpasaya sa dalawang paraan. Yung isa, pag kasama mo sila, masaya sila. Yung isa, pag umalis ka, masaya sila. Alam ko, doon kayo lahat sa una. Di ba? Alam nyo, ang pinaka-masarap na celebration, yung meron kang fulfillment, yung may na-accomplish ka. Alam nyo ba kung bakit kayo lang kasi limited lang yung space eh. Kayo lahat nandito. Alam nyo kung bakit kayo invited dito, and marami pa dapat invited, qualified lahat. Bakit kayo nandito? Kasi nag-manifest sa inyo yung success. Kasi marami kayo natulungan. Kasi ginagawa nyo yung mission statement, which is helping people live better lives. Kaya di ba mas masarap mag-celebrate today? Yeah!
So thank you so much for that. Munch lang natin ng kanta, Joven. Ang gaganda ng sinabi nila.
Agree.
So siguro all the business owners will agree that siguro yun yung one of the remarkable quality of our business. We can say that all of us, business owners most especially, are standing on solid ground. Sila yon. Ay, hindi pala. So pillar pala kayo, nakasandal pala tayo sa kanila. So, diba? So, we have great leaders here in Sante. Palakpakan nyo naman yun. So, yung next question ko is, so 17 years, so knowing what you know now and how Sante has transformed through the years, so we are now this big, we're 17 years, 10 countries, 87 branches, 320,000 business owners, 320,000 and more business owners worldwide. Oy, kabisado ko ha. Flip chart yan eh. Okay. What advice or message would you give to your 17 years younger self? So not on your 17 years. Take us back 17 years ago. Ikaw, Sir Eric, you were just
25
21.
o 21.
21 ka lang noon. So, Sir Joey naman is 18. Hindi, joke lang. Sir Paul?
17.
Ingat. Ingat. Malapit na magka-discount.
So take us back 17 years ago, when you were younger, 17 years younger, what would you tell yourself back then? About Sante, of course.
Let's start with you, Sir Paul.
Bata ko na naman. Ang hirap ng tanong.
Sir Joey has something in mind na.
Mayayari ako. Sorry. Cut natin yung direct. Sorry. Ang hirap ng tanong mo, Gia.
Nakaharap ko sa mirror.
Ikaw na lang,
Isip.
Joey, habang nag-iisip sila.
Wala
Ha?
pa ako nun.
Ano? Ay, sasagot. 17 years ago, ano pa lang ako, 12.
Ako ba?
Yes, Sir Joey.
Ako pala. 17 years ago, kaharap ko yung sarili ko. Cute ko pa noon, di ba? Ano sabihin ko sa sarili ko? Sige, Joey, di ba? Hooray! Okay ba? 17 years ago, day 1 ng Sante, ano ba sabihin ko sa sarili ko? Sige, Joey, always be happy and contented sa lahat ng blessings na natatanggap mo in life, but never be satisfied and always aspire to attain something bigger and bigger each day. Because Joey, you are destined to achieve greatness in life. Last message ko siguro sa sarili ko, Joey, stay hungry and stay passionate. Yun lang.
Wow.
Pang Miss Universe yung sagot.
Grabe.
Nabigla ako, akala ko si Paul.
Pang top 5. Candidate number 2, please take off your headphones.
So, 17 years ago. Kasi sa akin, no, eto, total tayo lang naman eh, no? Wala nang lalabas.
Live tayo, sir, live.
Tayo lang. Yeah.
Naka-live tayo.
Live. Sige, babaguhin ko na lang. Well, yung age ko, actually nakalimutan ko na yung age ko eh. Pero ngayon tatandaan ko, 1970 ako pinanganak. Tapos, di ba, ano ba yung dash ba yun o high pen? Anong tawag doon? High pen. Tapos, mag-e-end yun ng 2071. Bakit? Kasi gusto ko pa makakuha ng 100,000 sa gobyerno. At alam ko, alam ko sikreto. Kaya nga sabi ko sana sa atin na alam ko sikreto. Alam niyo kung ano? Sante barley from New Zealand. Diba? So, ang concern ko, yung high pen. Kasi doon sa gitna, from 1970 to 2071, ano yung nangyari doon? Sa maliit na linya na yon. Diba? So, 17 years ago, 20 years ago, or kahit today, ang lagi ko lang sasabihin, help people live better lives. Yun po ang heart and soul ng Sante. And every day, pag nagmi-meeting kami sa management, sa board, ang laging primary concern namin is to help more people live better lives. Thank you.
Okay. Wala pa rin ako maisagot. Pangatlo na ako. Baka mayroon sa audience. Hindi, actually, siguro 17 years ago, tama ka, 23 years old lang ako noon, di ba? Nak. Alright. Hindi, actually, siguro ang masasabi ko, Paul, you're given a great responsibility, di ba? Yes, you're in a position, di ba? But with great power comes great responsibility. So, 17 years ago, siguro sasabihin ko sa sarili ko na learn more. Kasi ang dami mo pang hindi alam. The more you know, the more you can help people. Diba? In relation to what Eric said, diba? Na, tag dito, helping people live better lives. Ang feeling ko kasi, for the past 17 years, I could have done more. Diba? I could have done more and magagawa ko yan if I learned more. Marami pa ako maituturo sa inyo lahat. No? So yun lang ang message ko.
Wow, grabe. Ang ganda ng mga sagot nila, Miss Gia. Ikaw ba, meron ka bang, baka humabol ka pa sa top 5 natin? Just kidding. Now for a spoiler question. Ayan. We all know na yung mga BODs natin, they are all visionaries, di ba? And for our question, as the company celebrates its 17th anniversary, how do you see Sante in the next 5 years?
Yeah, siguro si Joey makakasagot nun for all of us.
Yeah, I think it's Joey who can answer that. Dapat pala kanina pa natin sinabi yun.
Last question na kasi. Last question na ba yan? Last na. Very good. Thank you for the last question. 5 years from now, kami, okay, together with the board of directors, including si Ate Mineta, we believe that in the next 5 years, Sante can be a multi-billion-dollar company, a $1 billion company, who's already helping a lot of people, millions of people all over the globe live a better life. And definitely in 5 years' time, we're open in a minimum of 15 countries. And I can see na marami nang nabago ang buhay. Alam mo yun, not only dreams, but big dreams will come true in the next 5 years. Think about your wildest imagination, wildest dreams. Kasi nakuha nyo yung kotse, bahay, million, travel, nakuha nyo na lahat yan eh. Pero ang nakikita na namin in the next 5 years, big dreams will come true. Beyond your wildest imagination. Makukuha nyo lahat yan. Just believe, because we believe in the potentials of our business owners. And the board of directors always believe that this business is designed to last a lifetime, beyond our lifetime, until the next generation. And it will happen, alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi itong ginagawa natin ngayon, foundation lang to. Remember, 17 years pa lang tayo, magdidibo pa lang tayo next year. Magdadalaga pa lang tayo. And this company will grow more than the next 100 or 200 years. That is our vision for this organization, way beyond our lifetime. Legacy na natin yan, di ba? For the next generation.
Okay. So, in 5 years, the best is yet to come for Santi. Yun yung sinasabi ni Sir Joey.
More to come.
More to come. Excited ka ba dun, Joey?
Yes, of course. And, syempre, so, pupunta na tayo sa isa pang fun part ng coffee talk na to. Ayan. Hindi pa tapos, sir. Now, we will play who's most likely. Ayan.
The most likely game.
Ayan. Bibigyan natin sila each ng bubble heads na may mga faces nila. Yan. May kanya-kanya silang faces. So, magtatanong po tayo ng question sa ating mga BODs and then i-erase lang nila yung bubble head na yun kung sino sa tingin nila yung mas nagre-resonate na person na yun.
So, kung tingin nyo, kilala nyo na yung mga BOD. So, wait till you watch this game. Okay, game.
Now, ready na po
Okay,
ba?
ready na? Ready na kayo, sir?
Okay. Si Ma'am Minette lagi. Sorry, Ma'am Minette, wala po daw kayo dito. Kayo po yung taya.
Yung wala talaga laging pinag-uusapan yun.
For
Okay.
our first question, who is most likely to go on a spontaneous trip? Spontaneous trip.
Who is most likely to go on a spontaneous trip? Unplanned. Biglaan.
Apo.
Biglaan.
Biglaan.
Biglaang trip lang. Wala lang. Gusto lang niyang mag-travel. Pag gusto niya. Ganon. Ay, Sir Joey.
Sir Joey.
Sir Joey.
And dalawang Minette.
Okay, next. Who is the most musically inclined? Parang kilala ko na to. Musically inclined. Yan. Sir Paul, pa-sample naman dyan. Sample daw, sir eh. Sir, anniversary.
Happy anniversary to you.
Bakit si Sir Paul anniversary? Parang ang ganda-ganda na ng boses. Pero pag tayo,
Para tayong pinupulit na yero. Who is most likely to get drunk easily?
Ay, kilala ko rin to. Oo. Totoo ba, Sir F? Totoo nga. Safe answer. Uy, daya, ano na. Dahil dyan, nasa live phone call si Miss Minette.
I-defend
To
niya daw
give
yung
her
sarili
reaction.
niya.
Oh, defend niya yung sarili niya. Ito na lang. Okay, sige. Ay, curious ako dito. Who is the funniest? Ay, si Eric. Sir Eric. Okay.
At curious din ako dito, who eats more? Yeah.
Who eats more?
More.
Who eats more?
Who eats more?
Who eats more?
Kumakain
Sino
ng
malakas
madami.
kumain? Sinong
Marami.
pinakamalakas kumain sa mga BODs? Sino pinakamalakas kumain? Wala. Malakas din daw kasi kumain, Sir El. Pero malakas kumain, Sir
Malakas
Joey.
kumain. Napaka-honest ni Sir Joey.
Napaka-honest.
Palakpakan natin.
Pinagbibigyan ko lang kayo, hintayin niyo yung weight ko in 6 months time, ha?
Ito, next question. Who is the coffee lover? Who is the coffee lover? Miss Min.
Oh,
Pero as an acidic person, ubus na ni Sir Joey yung coffee niya.
Ito po. Who is the most organized?
Ay, alam ko, kilala ko rin to. Oo. Isip ko rin si Sir Paul eh. Lagi kasing maayos yung office niya, Sir Paul. Ayan, Sir Paul. Sir Paul. Next. Who's always dressed the best? What? Who's always dressed the best? Best dressed. Okay, next.
Ito, who is most likely to go home early
Ay,
on
kilala
a
ko rin
night
to.
out? On an early night out. On a early night out.
Sir Joey ba?
Uuwi agad.
Sir Joey ba? Sir Joey, umuwi ka ba na maaga, sir?
May curfew si Sir
May
Joey.
curfew.
4 o'clock gising na ako. Sabay ko sila Eds tumano.
Ano lang, actually, akala ko Sir Paul. Lagi kasi umuwi na maaga si Sir Paul.
Uy, hindi ako nagsabi niyan, ha?
Secret pa yun, Sir Paul.
Hindi, di ba? Usapan night out no? Night out.
night
Yung pag may
out.
gimmick, unang umuwi, ako yun.
Si Sir Eric talaga, as in.
Good boy kasi ako, good boy.
Uy, ibig sabihin,
Pag ang tanong, sino yung pinaka-ginagabi lagi?
Ginagabi.
okay, next. Who gives the best advice?
Who gives?
The best advice. Depends. Tungkol ba saan yung advice na gusto natin itanong? Love life daw, love life, love life daw.
Ito, who's the most generous? Ayan.
Generous daw.
Generous.
Generous.
Sample! Sample!
Sample.
Teka, mali.
Lastly, ito yung pinaka challenging question natin. Ready na ba kayo? Ready na ba kayo? Sige. Who's the most handsome? Handsome! Sir Joey, Sir Paul, handsome. Agree ba kayo silang tatlo? Daanin natin sa palakpak, gusto nyo? Wag na.
Gia, medyo nanganganib ka na.
Actually,
Game. Hindi, tanongin naman natin yung dalawang host, di ba?
actually.
Ano yung nakikita nila sa Sante 5 years from now? Joven, di ba? Ano nakikita mo
Parang
sa
si Gia
sa'yo
po na-
in Sante 5 years from now? Sunod si Gia.
Hindi ko na po
Actually-
nakikita si Gia 5 years from now.
Gia, gaganti ka ba?
So actually, that was fun, Joven. So,
To conclude
so
our
much
coffee
fun.
talk, kaya.
Okay. So that actually wraps up our coffee talk. So
Palakpakan
Thank you
naman
so
natin.
much.
Ayan.
Thank you,
so
thank
much
you.
po. Can we have photo op first? Gia, photo op. Yes, photo op. Minsan lang to. It's a very rare occasion.
kasi baka 5 years wala na ako, no?
Last mo na to. Yes. Thank you so much
Thank
po,
you
Sir
once
Eric,
again,
Sir
Sir
Joey,
Eric, Sir
and
Joey, Sir
Paul.
Paul, for being such a good sport. Joke lang yun lahat, sir. Joke
Pe-
lang yun.
Thank you so much, Gian. Dami nating good memories.
Yun na yung core memory natin. Okay, so once again, thank you so much. It was really fun. It's actually refreshing to see the board of directors in a different light. Kasi di ba normally we just see them roaming around the office,
Business.
doing business presentation, but now we get to hear the other side of their other side that we don't actually get to hear every day. So,
Again, thank you to our board of directors for being such a good sport. And in answering this question, let's give our BODs a round of applause. Thank you so much, everyone.
So, with that, Sante International extends across borders, and one of Sante's vision is to become the global leader and provider of health and wellness products and services.
Yes, and with that, let's all hear a special message from one of our BODs, Miss Minette Carag, and Sante New Zealand's Managing Director, Mr. Peter Hope, and the Sante family in the international market. Let's all watch this video.
Greetings from Sante, Hong Kong. Happy 17th years anniversary, Sante International. Hooray, Sante!
To our board of directors, hi there. Your commitment to excellence has set the standards to us for the whole Sante team. Thank you for guiding us through all of our challenges and successes alike. To our dear business owners, customers, and of course, to our outstanding employees who all dedicated their hard work over the years. And I'm so grateful and blessed to be a part of that wonderful team and now building the Sante USA. Here's to next and more years of growth, achievements, and successes together. Just as exciting and more adventurous journey ahead with our mission of helping people live better lives. Cheers to our company, our products, our business, and to all of us. I miss you all there. Enjoy! Happy Santa anniversary!
Hello Sante team and partners from across the globe. Today we have completed successfully 17 years. On behalf of entire Middle East and Africa team, we would like to send our best wishes and a big congratulations, especially to our management, partners and everyone who has been a part of this journey. Your dedication, trust and teamwork made it happen. From a small community, we have grown into a global community, inspiring people to live a better life. I'm really excited about what the future holds for us. Let's keep growing, inspiring and making a real life difference. Happy 70th anniversary Sante Barle. Stay awesome and God bless you all.
Happy 17th anniversary Sante around the world. We are so blessed and proud to be part of Sante big family. It is our passion to live more and do more.
Hi Sante family, Peter Hope here, coming to you from Christchurch, New Zealand. Actually, I'm coming to you from above the port of Lyttelton. Do you know that for 17 years, Sante certified organic barley raw material has left this port to go around the world in support of the Sante business? So 17 years, wow. I'd like to offer my congratulations to everybody in the Sante family on 17 great years and looking forward to another exciting 17 and more. So thanks very much. Bye.
Good morning. Happy 17th anniversary, Sante. On this 17th year, I would just like to remind everyone that the only guarantee of success for tomorrow is growing today. I'm here at the John Maxwell Conference and having a good time. I'm sorry I couldn't be with you all physically, but God bless you all and enjoy our 17th year anniversary. God bless Sante. God bless all our Sante business owners.
Okay, so alright, thank you so much to one of our founders, Ms. Minette Carag, Sir Peter, and to all of our international leaders for their anniversary greetings. We hope to get the inspiration to strive and become leaders in our own communities and networks as we achieve our dreams and aspirations in life.
Ayan. So ngayon, gusto nyo ba ng surprise? Ayan, ang lakas ng sigaw nila. Ayan, sabi nga nila, life is full of chances, as we say. So let's ensure we grab those chances as early as we can to make our dreams come true. And of course, if life is full of surprises and chances, it is also, full of surprises. Let's see who are the 17 lucky people here who get a surprise.
So they need to check under their seats if you have the 17th anniversary card. So,
Ayan.
there are 17 anniversary
Randomly,
cards that are randomly placed to 17 seats, chairs.
Yes. And if you happen to have one, please raise your hand. Ayan. Raise your hand. Ayan, mayroon
You
sila.
get a
Oh,
special
ang
gift
dami.
from Sante.
And, okay, let's hold on. Ayan, meron sila. Apo. Yung iba, pinunit yung nasa center table.
Pinunit.
Kasi kamukha daw.
Hindi po yan scratch card.
Oo.
Yan siya.
Ayan. Punta po tayo
Okay,
dito
so
sa
lahat ng meron,
baba
punta
ng
lang po kayo
stage.
inside.
Ayan, to receive your gift from Sante. And let's have a photo op para sa ating mga winners. Yeah, let's count kung 70 na ba sila. Yung, yeah. Yan, punta po tayo sa stage. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan, kompleto na, 17. Yan, photo op. Okay, congratulations everyone. Congratulations to all our 17 winners. Thank you everyone.
Okay, so again, congratulations to all 17 winners. Are you all having fun? Wala na.
Gutom na ba?
Gutom na?
Hindi pa daw. Sige, para pwede pa tayo ng 5 hours.